I actually walked down from the other station to the bus stop and it started to pour while I was walking and I got wet all over and ऊपर से पसीना भी है. So it's all chip right. Priyanka is still in her taxi, I guess, so she'll be here any minute and then we'll go to Pune.
रिस्पॉन्डंट मध्ये सगळ्यात सिनियर जो वकील तोच बोलतो
For the very first time. पहुंच गए लेकिन बारिश आ रहा है. हाँ बारिश. हमको यहाँ पर स्टैंड कर दिया गया है. लेजेंड विराज दादा इज नॉट कमिंग टू पिक अस अप गाइस. किधर है? नोवेयर टू बी सीन. I am so tired at this point. It's actually 2:30 and I'm going to sleep now. I came from college and I packed all my stuff, hence I have not slept in the afternoon. That is why I am like very sleepy right now. I left from my home at around 5:45 and then went to the other to take bus, but buses were like delayed 2 hours or something, so we just did a sharing cab and came to Pune. And after coming we hung out with everyone, Viraj Dada, Om and everyone else, and now it's 2:30. It always happens, like whenever we just come here and then we hung out with them, like these people don't let us sleep.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And then it affects the workshop thing, but it's fine. The main goal whenever I come to Pune is to meet these guys, to spend time with these people, so like I don't mind it, to be honest. I love to be in Pune because it like just makes me feel so free. So yeah, I'm super excited. I have to get up in the morning and I have to like do 11 o'clock ka class, 11 to 1, which is Jia Dhadak Jai. So yeah, pretty excited. I've been listening to it for quite a while, so I really want to do well in that workshop. I'm gonna sleep. Everyone else is still hanging out in the room. I cannot, and these people take workshops the next day. I'm like, so jaa. Blinkit से hair spray order किया गया है, toothpaste because we didn't bring it, and we got a free gift from Blinkit as well.
The video which I'm going to put today, okay, after the class, I have forgotten the choreography and you will see, okay. So it is okay to completely forget the choreography, but the main thing is to continue, okay. Yes? Can we start? Yes. This place is his love for the dance.
Yes.
He's not a great dancer. Yeah? No.
Yes.
Nobody is a great dancer, guys. But he's a dancer. Yes. He dances with heart. You can see it in his dancing. He's like Govinda. Yeah. So, of course, thank you for creating this space.
The whole and soul of excellency, guys. Sold out classes. Siley's alternate job. Excellency, guys. Now we are going to change and then we are just gonna do time pass in comedy ka class and then we'll do 2 sala. Woo.
आणि ते व्हाईट वाला मागे आहे.
Teams नाही 204 304 बोलते.
हे उघडतं कसं?
Guys, strength training.
ना 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 ना.
Yes. Literally not been able to vlog because हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हम स्टूडियो से रूम पे आ रहे हैं, रूम पे चेंज कर रहे हैं, वापस जा रहे हैं, वर्कशॉप कर रहे हैं, ये चल रहा है. सब सेट किए हुए बाल डन. पाउस यार.
You can't experiment that in shows, okay? So when you get space, try to use for stage presence. कि मैं कहाँ से कहाँ travel कर सकता हूँ, कितनी मेरी movement available है, मेरी body कितनी और खींच सकती है. अभी होता है कोई side में कभी try to कि हाँ subconscious चलता रहता है. तो वहाँ पे I wanted to go all fitness now. चला कुमड़े तो विद्या एक full appointment. this class also went 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started 1, 2, 3, 4 from here, and like it felt so good to get them back. And same Komdi Padani was Marathi Weekender concept, and it happened here. Punekars had so much power की मुंबईच्या लोकांना रावलं नाही. So आपण मुंबईत back to back 4 Komdi Padani केले.
मुंबईवाले इकडे आले. मुंबईवाले इकडे आले.
मुंबईवाले पण इकडे आले. काय सांगू? Cool. So yes, again, thank you so much, guys, to each and everyone. Super grateful for everyone to come. Clap for them. So जाते जाते बस एक ही चीज बोलूँगा जल्द से. Keep dancing, keep growing, guys. Try different workshops. Keep attending different styles. Okay, एक ही जिंदगी है. Explore, experiment. You never know कौन सी style से कौन सा foundation कब तुम्हें काम आए. But will always be in your body and will definitely help you if you're doing something in dance. Basically, you're here for art, and don't forget why you started dancing. So yes, stick to that motto. बाकी किसी की सुनना नहीं. सरो सुनो सबकी करो अपनी. मजे करो यार. बाकी भेटू लवकरच. Bye bye. Take care.
अनबॉदर्ड इंसान.
Thank God end किया आपने भाई.
Hi guys, so I'll just quickly sum up the entire day. I'm sitting in Viraj Dada का office currently. So क्या हुआ कि सुबह हम उठे like around 8:30, 11 to 1 workshop that was of Unmesh Dada, and it was Jiya Dhadak Dhadak Jai wala song, which is literally my current favorite song. Current favorite me, I've been listening to it for months now, and I really wanted someone to do a choreo on it, and he did it. There is no way that I'm gonna miss it. And then there was no plan कि ओम का वर्कशॉप्स करना है, बट देन ऑफ कोर्स यार अपने लोग हैं तो फिर वो हो जाता है. तो ओम के मैंने फिर 4 to 6 वाला जो था दैट इज़ कोमड़ी पड़ाली, सो वी डिड दैट. एंड मेरा साइलिका एंड प्रियंका का जो शोकेस आया है, ओ माई गॉड, द लेजेंड, द सिंक एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स इंसेन. सो इफ़ यू हैवंट checked it out yet, the video will be up on my Instagram mostly by the time I post this. So go and watch it like right now. And yeah, and then we did Tu Sala. Guys who follow me on Instagram know that I literally missed a step. वो ऐसे वाला किक वाला स्टेप था वो, एंड आई रियली वांटेड लाइक रिडेम्पशन हो जाए, तो इसीलिए लाइक इधर मैं आके 2 साल तो कर ही रही हूँ. सो आई डिड दैट, चेंज्ड इनटू जिया धड़क धड़क जाए वाले का कुर्ता, बिकॉज Unmesh Dada, me and Priyanka wanted to shoot it nicely again with some lights and stuff, so I got changed into this. But 2 Sala ka video also came really good, all thanks to Viraj Dada, like the best videographer in the entire world. Bhai, I don't care jo bhi hai, Viraj Dada is the best. So if you haven't come to Excellency yet, you need to come to Excellency, okay? Like Excellency is the best studio ever, best vibes ever, best people ever. Come. Free promotion of Excellency by one and only Viraj Dada. You need to pay away for this. So yeah, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग घर जाएंगे, होटल जाएंगे. होटल जाने के बाद फिर कल सुबह वापस उठना है. So tomorrow we are doing Vipul भैया का class. Me and Priyanka, both of us are doing it. I literally don't know the song. I haven't even heard it fully, but I'm just going for his class because I wanted to like attend his workshop for a very very long time, and he's like legit one of the smoothest performers and teachers, choreographers I've ever seen. So I really wanted to do his class, so I'm doing it. And then Noel is also here teaching, so I'll be doing his Janam. Like, of course, how can I miss Janam, bro? Janam is like my style, so I won't miss it for the world. So I'm doing that, and then I'll just leave from Pune directly after Janam ka class, we'll take a cab or something or take a bus and then leave for Mumbai. And then after I reach Mumbai, I think 2 तो बज ही जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद 5 बजे उठ के मेरे को कॉलेज भी जाना है. कॉलेज होगा 2 बजे तक. 2 बजे के बाद फिर 4 o'clock को आई हैव और डांस कोरियोग्राफी का शूट है, तो उसका कोरियो का रिहर्सल करने के लिए मेरे को जाना है वाइब इन स्टूडियो. Yeah, it's a collaboration with Pranay Bafna sir. Love Pranay Bafna sir. So him and also I think Pratik sir. So and there are I think few more people. 4 or 5 of us are gonna do that choreo I think. So इसके वजह से वो rehearsal है. So I have to go for that. See you guys tomorrow morning. Or maybe if I vlog a bit to the yeah. Peace out. Bye bye. See you at the studio tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Peace out. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
पुलाच्या वरून पाणी आहे.
मला फूल पाहिजे.
दिया भाजी विकतोय का तो?
27,500 हुआ है भाई. 1,15.
हे
आप हो.
हम उसको देख रहे हैं. और ये दोनों 50-50 में दो.
डायनासोर और ये
मेरे को तो डायनासोर चाहिए. येस और एज आणि ती काय करते?
और एक
मग ते घाण वाटतंय.
ए वे
भैया रुको. डोरेमोन काम करेंगे.
हा पीपीला डोरेमोन आवडतो ना. पीपीला डोरेमोन.
असं पकडून बसू. असं पकडून बसू.
माझं शक्ल पण नाही येते.
बच्चों को खिलौने दिया है मैंने. बच्चे खुश रहेंगे. पूरा फूफू भाई
मला ते
गुड मॉर्निंग. Girl gang. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Guys, it's time for Pramas.
guys, continuous.
एक सेकंड मार लो कि हाथ ऐसे करो और सब लोग बोलो 3 2 1 गो बोलना
हाँ खाली बोल खाली बोल
ये मम्मी का बोलतो डायरेक्ट हाईट वर येतो
आणखी सोपं केलं माझ्यासाठी To achieve that, you'll have to walk with me. You'll have to travel a journey with me. Yes, and not only mine, बहुत सारे ऐसे दूसरे टीचर्स भी हैं जो तुम्हें बहुत कुछ सिखाना चाहते हैं, बहुत कुछ सिखाना चाहते हैं. Yes, we want you guys to move in a way which you also did not think was possible. Yes, that is what we as dancers want to achieve, right? Yes, वरना सोचो कि हमने अगर 7 साल या 8 साल ट्रेनिंग किया है, इसलिए नहीं किया है ताकि हम लोग एकेडमी में ये सीखें. Make sense? Yes. We are मतलब जो ये सिखा रहे हैं उसको कोई ऑफेंस नहीं, प्लीज गलत मत लेना, मैं सिर्फ समझा रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ टॉपिक समझा रहा हूँ. What I'm trying to explain is there is so much that we want to offer. Like for example, मैंने यहाँ पे पुणे में ही मदारी करके एक गाने पे कोरियोग्राफी किया था. Yes. मतलब वो जो भी हो in general. But before I teach you here, अभी मैं सोचूं कि विराज भाई मैं मदारी सिखाना चाहता हूँ. अब मैंने विराज भाई को बोला ठीक है नोएल मेरे को तेरे पे भरोसा है, वो क्लास अनाउंस करेंगे. But then that trust, that fear in you, that हम कर पाएंगे क्या? ये फियर आता है तुम लोग के अंदर. यस, तो वो फियर हटाने के लिए तुम्हें कभी ना कभी तो कोई तो क्लास तो डिफिकल्ट ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. वरना कब आएगा, वरना कब तक तो तुम ऐसे
सुना
इजी होगा. ये करो ना, ऐसे कुछ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बहुत प्यारा करो, मस्त करो, मस्त. But what I'm saying is, I also want you guys to challenge yourself and try to achieve what we also want to see you guys achieve. Makes sense? Yes. So thank you so much for attending Sajda. ऐसे मैं next month शायद से next month या विराज भाई next month या next month आ रहा हूँ. At that time I'll be bringing a few advanced routines. एक गाना है आदत करके तुमने सुना है. Yes. फिर लग जा मेरे करके गाना है, emptiness करके गाना है. Yes. ऐसे 3-4 कोरियोग्राफीज है जो बहुत प्यारे भी बनने वाले, but शायद से तुम्हारे कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर होगा. लग जा करे तुम्हारे कंफर्ट में होगा, बाकी सब थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन होगा. So I don't want you guys such bad time. But I don't want you guys to be afraid and be like यार ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं कर. And अगली बार डर लग रहा है ना कोई कोरियोग्राफी या कोई क्लास से कि यार उनको डर लग रहा है, तो क्लास में पहले जाओ और वो डर का सामना करो. And ये उससे हम लोग बढ़ेंगे, उससे हम लोग. Got it everyone? Yes. Thank you so much guys for today's class. बहुत मजा आया मेरे को, तुम लोग को मजा आया. हम लोग सब प्यार से ऐसे करो, सुनो. अब हम लोग साथ में बोलेंगे 3 2 1 गो.
Hello, so we are back home. I know this is just gonna be such a random vlog. Let's just sum up the day. I had breakfast at Excellency only. We just ordered poha and stuff and we just ate that as a breakfast, and then we directly entered into Vipul Bhaiya ka class, which was Sunya Rata. And oh my god, the way सब दिल का इमोशन बाहर आ गया वो क्लास में, मतलब अलग ही लेवल क्लास. लाइक इट्स जस्ट गोना स्टिक विथ मी लाइक फॉर माई रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. सो या वो क्लास हो गया. So we had lunch and stuff and then we came back, hung around at Excellency and फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने जानम वर्कशॉप किया. And oh my god, I had the best time ever. You know how much I love Janam choreo, and the like main focus point was कि मुझे like थोड़ा feel पकड़ना है, focus करना है, and I have to catch all the beats, and also कि I have to top my last Janam which I did. So I think I did that. I'm really proud of the video because I've been watching that video like 30-40 times abhi. So it's like really good. I'm glad it turned out really well, and oh my god, excellency ka lighting bhai chumma. So yeah, workshop ही ख़त्म हुआ 11:30 को, and then after that we went out, we ate, वो सब करते करते भाई 1:30 उधर ही हो गए, and then we took cab, and thankfully because of the clear roads we came to Mumbai in 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So it's now 5:50. I have to freshen up and then I have to go to college now. So yeah, I think I'll just stop the vlog here cause और क्या ही दिखाऊँ मैं, मेरा और कुछ होता नहीं कॉलेज में. I just attend lectures for like 2 hours and then I have practical and I just come back home. So there's nothing much exciting to show in that. Thank you for sticking out till the end. Love you. I hope you have a great day ahead whenever you're watching this. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog and see you Pune soon.